Welcome to your guide to ROM's virtual tours. The virtual tours come in many different subjects, but they all work pretty much the same. You can use left click to grab the image and move it around, and to click on the Learn More icons. Some stops may have more than one image associated with them. You can move through the images by clicking on the left or right arrows. There are two ways to move between stops on your virtual tour. Look for the round icon that looks like two circles with a small arrow in the bottom right corner. Clicking on it will take you to the next stop or gallery on your tour. You're able to navigate back and to the next stops using these icons. You can also look for the map icon somewhere near the center and bottom of the screen. Clicking on the map icon will take you to the main map for the virtual tour, and from there you're able to navigate to any stop that you would like on the tour. When you're exploring new subjects, sometimes you'll find words that you may not be familiar with. There's a tool called Immersive Reader built into the virtual tour to help you. On any of the stops with text, look for the icon that looks like a little book with a speaker. That is your Immersive Reader. If you click on the Immersive Reader, it will open up in this window. Once you're in the Immersive Reader, you have a few options to customize it to make it work for you. If you click on the voice settings icon down in the bottom center, you can adjust the voice speed and whether you would like it to read in a male voice or a female voice. If you click on the play button, it will read the text for you.
Votives. These much smaller figures are examples of gifts given to gods by people who could not afford large marble statues.
You can also customize the text to help you read it better. If you click on the first icon in the top right, you can open up your text preferences. You can adjust the size, you can adjust the spacing of the text, you can adjust the font, even the background coloring. If you click on the middle icon at top right, it will help you find the different parts of speech if you turn on each of the options. Click on the third button at the top right to adjust your reading preferences. You can turn the line focus on so that it focuses on one line, multiple lines, or entire paragraphs at a time, or you can turn the line focus off to see all of the text at once. The picture dictionary is turned on automatically. If there's a word you're not familiar with, you can click on it, and most of the time it will have a picture to help you figure out what that word actually means. You can also hear just that word.
Statues.
You can even translate the text. So if I change this to French, it doesn't look like it's translating yet, but if I click on that word again, it has the word in French.
Statue.
If I want to translate the entire document, I just have to flip on this button that says Document, and it will translate the whole thing into the language that I've chosen.
Votifs. Ces figures beaucoup plus petites sont des exemples de cadeaux donnés aux dieux par des gens qui ne pouvaient pas se permettre de grandes statues de marbre.
To return to your virtual tour, click on the big left-pointing arrow in the top left corner. And that should be everything you need to successfully explore your virtual tour at ROM.